In today's digital age, email marketing has become a crucial tool for businesses to connect with their customers. However, with the sheer volume of emails flooding inboxes every day, it can be challenging for marketers to stand out and capture the attention of their audience. This is where email segmentation comes into play, a strategy that can transform generic email campaigns into exceptional ones that yield higher conversion rates. Understanding the problem: overwhelmed and disengaged readers. Picture this scenario. You send out an email blast to your entire subscriber list with a generic message about your latest product or promotion. What happens next? Most likely, your readers are overwhelmed by the flood of emails they receive daily and quickly scroll past yours without giving it much thought. They may even unsubscribe from your mailing list altogether if they feel bombarded. This lack of engagement poses a significant problem for businesses relying on email marketing as part of their sales funnel. Without capturing the attention and interest of readers, it becomes nearly impossible to drive conversions and achieve desired business outcomes. The unique rationale: tailoring emails for maximum impact. Email segmentation offers a unique solution to combat disengagement by allowing marketers to divide their subscriber list into smaller segments based on specific criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement level. By doing so, you can create personalized and targeted messages that resonate with each segment individually. So what does this mean for you as a reader? Well, imagine receiving an email that addresses you by name and includes content tailored specifically to your interests or previous interactions with the brand. Suddenly, you feel seen and valued as more than just another faceless recipient in an overcrowded inbox. The power of personalization: increasing open rates. One key benefit of implementing email segmentation is its ability to boost open rates significantly. According to research conducted by MailChimp, segmented campaigns have an average open rate that is 14.32% higher than non-segmented campaigns. This means that by tailoring your emails to specific segments of your audience, you are more likely to capture their attention and entice them to open the email. For example, let's say you run an online clothing store, and you segment your subscriber list based on gender. By sending targeted emails featuring men's clothing recommendations to male subscribers and women's clothing recommendations to female subscribers, you are increasing the likelihood of engagement because the content is relevant and appealing. Driving conversions: the power of relevance. Increased open rates are just the beginning. Email segmentation also has a significant impact on conversion rates. When recipients receive personalized content that aligns with their interests or needs, they are far more likely to take action. Research from Campaign Monitor shows that marketers who use segmented campaigns experience a 760% increase in revenue compared to those who rely solely on generic mass emails. This staggering statistic highlights the power of relevance in driving conversions. How can you harness this power for your own business? Consider segmenting your subscriber list based on past purchases or browsing behavior. By sending targeted product recommendations or exclusive offers related to previous interactions with your brand, you create a sense of urgency and encourage recipients to make a purchase. Implementing email segmentation: how to guide. Now that we've established why email segmentation is essential for exceptional marketing campaigns, let's delve into how it can be implemented effectively. Define your segments. Start by identifying key criteria such as demographics, purchase history, engagement level, or geographic location. Collect relevant data. Ensure that you have accurate data about each subscriber so that they can be assigned to appropriate segments. Choose an email marketing platform. Select an email marketing platform capable of handling segmentation effectively. Craft personalized content. Create tailored messages for each segment based on their unique characteristics. Test and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your segmented campaigns and make adjustments as needed to maximize results. Conclusion: email segmentation is a game changer in the world of email marketing, allowing businesses to move from generic mass emails to exceptional campaigns that drive higher conversion rates. By personalizing content based on specific segments, marketers can capture the attention and interest of their audience, leading to increased open rates and ultimately more conversions. So don't let your emails get lost in a sea of generic messages. Leverage the power of email segmentation to stand out, connect with your readers on a deeper level, and skyrocket your conversion rates. Your business will thank you for it.